Hi everyone, it's Monica from Educk. Today's video is special. I will show you my portfolio that got me internship to MVRDV and BIG. Eventually, I picked MVRDV, but let's start from the beginning. In 2019, I wanted to get an internship abroad. I applied to many architecture studios like OMA, MVRDV, BIG, or UnStudio. UnStudio in Amsterdam responded to my portfolio application. They wanted to interview me on Skype, but unfortunately we couldn't connect due to internet issues. They decided to call my mobile phone instead. The interview didn't go well. I was stressed from the Skype issues and it was very difficult to describe my portfolio over the phone. They asked me many questions, but when they asked about my favorite design phase, I said, I love coming up with new ideas and create visualizations, but I don't like technical drawings. It wasn't a good answer. When I said that I don't like creating technical drawings, I showed them that I'm not flexible enough to create different tasks. They rejected my application. A few days later, BIG invited me for a Skype interview. I felt more confident with the experience from the previous one, but I had to decline this offer. I couldn't make it because they wanted me to be in their office in Copenhagen during my final exams. At the same time, MVRDV offered me an internship that starts after my final exams, so I chose MVRDV in Rotterdam. Let's discuss my portfolio that got me into top architectural offices. I will show you how to stand out from the crowd. Let's begin with the portfolio cover. I've added a photo of the architectural model that my team and I created for a design competition. The image has been edited in Photoshop with some noticeable enhancements. The cover photo should be visually striking. It can be minimalistic, or you can add your visualization or a photo of your work. Avoid templates. This is an opportunity to showcase your creativity through your work. Here is my resume. On the left, you will find my photo and personal details, including education, experiences, and hobbies. I've also shared a few words about myself. On the right side, you will see the standard resume information, but pay attention to achievements, publications, and architectural activity. It's good to stay active in architecture during your studies or career. Join competitions, workshops, and architectural events. It will not only expand your knowledge, but also boost your portfolio. It's a definite improvement. In the graphic skills section, I listed only the softwares I know well. I'm not very familiar with ArchiCAD or Blender, so I didn't mention them. I think that certifications are important. While there is a debate about their value, I believe Autodesk Certified Professional certificates show a strong understanding of the software. Some exam questions may be strange, but investing time to earn a certificate demonstrating your software knowledge is worth it. Next, I've included a list of my projects featuring keywords, visualizations, and theoretical experiences. When creating your portfolio, focus on showcasing your best work rather than everything. Your early projects from the beginning of your studies or career may not be your best, so less is often more. As you can see, I used hashtags. It might have been a trendy idea 5 years ago, but trends change. Probably I will not use hashtags today. Let's move on to the projects. The first project in my portfolio is Island from the International Biennale of Architecture. It's a project done with my friends. The presentation has a brief description, a standout visualization, drawings, and analysis. Winning wasn't the focus. What matters is showing your design thinking, skills, and presentation abilities. The second project is Cogita, Office of the Future. It's a highly conceptual competition done in collaboration with a colleague. We expressed our science fiction ideas through 3 visualizations, showing our imagination and visualization skills. In this competition, we were finalists. Notice how the black or white background complement the visualizations and drawings quite nicely. Next, there is another competition I participated in. Perhaps you've seen these images on my cover photo. I've kept text and description to a minimum. In the center, you will find photoshopped images of the architectural model, 2D drawings, orthographic drawings, and schemes. When creating a portfolio, it's crucial to invest time in the layout and rethinking how to showcase your project in the best possible way. My portfolio's last project is my bachelor's diploma. I made black and white 2D drawings mixed with colorful visualizations to illustrate the visual difference between communism and capitalism. The project features 2D drawings, plans, elevations, sections, and visualizations, all emphasizing the contrast. That's not all. If you have additional skills like creating visualizations, technical drawings, display them in the portfolio. This is the place to present your talents and skills. In addition to the project, I highlighted my proficiency in creating visualizations and technical drawings, specifying the software I'm proficient in. To highlight my versatility, I added technical drawings created as an architectural assistant using Revit. It's crucial to always highlight your skills. You never know what might be valuable in the office you're applying to. At the end, I included a section about my theoretical experience. I actively engaged in architectural discussions, presentations, and wrote articles to architecture magazines, resulting in multiple publications. Remaining engaged in your architectural career and taking part in diverse initiatives is essential. This is my portfolio that helped me to get an internship at MVRDV in Rotterdam. When creating your own portfolio, emphasize your skills, adaptability, and enthusiasm to expand your architectural horizons. What do you think about this video? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I hope making a portfolio will be much easier and you will show your skills at the best possible way. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and write a comment below. If you want to learn more about V-Ray for SketchUp, check out my website educk.org. You will find there many courses, free assets, articles, and more. See you there. Bye!